Hey there, it's Angela Hochman, your host of In the Kitchen on STL TV. Yes, I'm not technically in a kitchen today because I am on the road. I heard that Nico's Gyros is out and about, and I had to get the scoop on this incredible concept. Gonna talk with the family, we're gonna eat, we're even going inside the food truck, okay? Let's go. Okay, friends, I couldn't just bring out Nico for this special episode. I brought the whole family because you are all behind the concept of Nico's Gyros. Guys, introduce yourselves real quick.
Hi, I'm Eric. I'm Nico's father, and I handle maintenance on the trailer, and I'm the driver.
Oh, that's important.
Hi, I'm Nico, and I'm the CEO/sous chef.
And I'm Penny, Nico's mom and the chef.
I love it. So okay, Nico, I gotta ask you, you are very young and you have this incredibly successful business already. How did you start this and why?
Well, it really started with Nico's Pico, which is when I was 17. My mother used to make salsa when I was little. I used to eat it by the gallons, it seemed like. So
just get a spoon and pull up?
Yes. So I got curious and wanted to learn how to make it someday. So ever since I was little, I just always loved being in the kitchen, helping my mom cook. Wanted to learn her recipe on the salsa and made it. And as I got older, I was like, this is really good. We should share it with the world. So that's how Nico's Pico started, selling at Fenton Farmers Markets. And it's all fresh, all natural ingredients.
Yes, and I love that you're very health conscious, and that is brought certainly to Nico's Gyros. You said there's no fryer back there. Talk a little bit about why that's important too, and any of you can answer.
Well, I'm kind of a health freak, I guess you can say, and if I'm gonna have some food that I'm gonna serve to others, it has to be healthy and natural, because if I'm not gonna eat it, I certainly don't want others to eat it.
I love that.
Yeah, the health food aspects definitely come 100% from Nico. And so our gyro meat is actually oven roasted lamb, 100%, very authentic Greek, family recipe.
Yeah.
But, you still get all the flavor, but less of the fat, sodium, things like that. So it's a little healthier. Actually, it's a lot healthier.
Absolutely.
But all the flavor.
And Penny, you said there is literally no spit back there.
No spit. Not at all.
I've never heard that, and
Yeah.
especially a Greek.
Right, yeah. So these are all of my mom's recipes, Nico's Yaya's recipes that I was brought up with. And so throughout the whole years of bringing Nico up, this is what I've cooked in the kitchen. And so Nico's learned it, and everything's oven roasted.
Incredible. Yeah. So the majority of these are brought up. These are from your Yaya. You grew up eating these. You wanted to create these and share these and carry on her legacy, which I think is so beautiful. So this food truck launched in 2025, right?
Yes.
Last year.
Okay.
Yes.
Does your menu change often, ever, never?
We're constantly tweaking it, but
Okay.
it doesn't really change all that much. We experiment with things like we came up with Greek nachos, which are one of our biggest sellers now. So it's great, and that was something like, we're a food truck, we need nachos, right?
Yeah,
So-
absolutely. If you call yourself a food truck, there better be nachos or something that I can be a little bit messy eating.
It's still a little on the healthier side with Greek
Absolutely.
yogurt-based tzatziki sauce and feta cheese. So.
Oh
very
my
good.
gosh, this is great. So are you guys, describe like a day in the life of the family and the food truck, which sounds like it could be an episode if you guys ever wanted a reality show. You're welcome.
Yes. 2 words: chaotic fun.
Okay, chaotic fun. I love it.
I mean, I don't know if Greek people tend to be stubborn and temperamental a little bit, so we'll butt heads a little bit, but at the end of the day, we're, good job,
I love that.
everything, every day ends well, I think.
Guys, I'm getting hungry, okay? And I don't know if you know that hummus is literally one of my favorite foods on the planet. So please, Nico, can we eat some of that?
Yeah.
Guys, we have to take a really quick break. But when we come back, we are headed inside. Can we all fit in there? Like, I've never been in a food truck. Is it tight or?
It'll be tight, but we get in there.
Perfect. I don't take up that much space, I don't think. However, ordering on the counter could be a problem. Step stool for me. Anyway, we're gonna take a quick break. When we come back, again, we're gonna cook, we're gonna eat, we're gonna talk. That's just, that's how we roll on the show. So don't go anywhere. We will be back in a moment. Did you know that you can watch STL TV on your smart TV? That's right. With the new STL TV Now app, you can watch STL TV at home without a cable subscription. And that includes our live broadcast channel as well as video on demand content. We have apps for Apple TV, Fire TV, and Roku. You probably have at least one of those at home, right? But this one is a Fire TV. Now listen, it is really easy to get started. Just find the App Store on your TV, then search for STL TV Now. Select it and click to install. And in just a few seconds, you are enjoying STL TV's great programming such as City Corner, Inside Sports, City Government, and Public Interest coverage. Or, my personal favorite, In the Kitchen. All right, as promised, they have let me in the food truck, which I don't know how this episode's gonna end. It's gonna be great though, because Nico and Penny and I are gonna create some of this epic Greek food that you guys are known for. They like the gyros as well. Okay guys, so
Yes.
what are we gonna cook up?
We're gonna prepare the boneless leg of lamb or the lamb gyro that we're
Perfect.
gonna serve you.
Okay, let's get to it.
Okay.
And what are you up to over here, Nico?
That's it. Can't have lamb without the lemon.
Can I do the other side?
Yes, of course.
Just smells so good.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. You make it look real easy, my friend.
Go ahead and pour it over the leg of lamb.
Wait, are the little seeds gonna get in there?
It'll be fine if you tilt it the.
I need adult supervision at all times, you guys. Oh, wow.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. That's good.
Gosh, that is glorious.
Yeah. Go ahead and take our olive oil. I like the mild olive oil.
Do you? Okay.
Mhm. And then just go ahead and pour that over the lamb,
Right.
a good amount. We'll start with a little bit of salt. We'll just use about probably,
What is that?
that's probably like a teaspoon. Yeah, and if you just want to pour it throughout on top of the lamb, that's awesome. And we'll probably end up using a good couple tablespoons of the oregano.
Okay.
So
we're doing the hand too.
yeah. And so however you want to do that.
Hey.
And-
Really put me to work.
Yes.
Is this my interview? Do you want me to work here? 'Cause
Sure.
It'd be fun.
Yeah. So we'll do that.
Oh, yum. I love the smell
This-
of oregano.
And then the garlic, of course, it'll
course.
just enhance the taste of the lamb. And so that too, I would say at least a good tablespoon.
Oh, yeah.
And I'll use a teaspoon probably.
So did Yaya not measure either?
She never
She's like,
measured.
my grandmother never did.
And I mean,
Trust your gut and taste along the way.
yes.
Oh,
Dried
that much?
dill weed. Yes, son.
Emphasis on the dill.
Yes, and just as you did, Angela, with the whole oregano, you can do the upper part there.
Oh, we are not messing around with
Yeah.
seasonings. I'm kind of like a more is more when it comes to seasonings. Some
Yeah.
people are like, go light, but
No,
life's too short.
yeah, absolutely. And then cover this with aluminum, and then we'll pop it in the oven.
Okay.
And this will be how it will turn out.
Okay.
We'll end up shredding it and taking off the skin and everything because we don't like to
okay.
incorporate that with the lean meat.
Yeah. I could just like pull up with a fork.
Yeah, absolutely.
But I could. What's
Yes.
next? What's next?
Well, the next step, if you'd like, is to
Assembling the gyro.
assembling the gyro.
If you are not,
Thank you.
drop it in there. And now, under here's the ziti.
I can reach the stuff down here.
And if you'll like, I'll try to bring for you.
Yes.
Just
Okay. I think it's pretty stirred. Now what?
now the paint. Now you can just get a blob like that. Just smear it around.
That's the measuring term, a blob. And we do call I vermette little pizza.
Yeah. So we usually get about a ladle like this. So you want to grab a little lettuce like this and
Okay.
just place it.
It's just straight up romaine.
Yeah,
Okay.
all of me.
Keeping it green.
Yeah. Now
Get those veggies in.
Now we do the same with the cucumbers. And you just repeat the process. Now, little peppercini.
Oh. Those tomatoes?
Yeah. And some calamatas.
Why not?
And you can top off the feta.
When people order a salad here, do they just say, instead of a Greek salad, I just want a salad? Because it's sort of assumed that they're getting all the good stuff. Yeah. How's that?
That's perfect. Perfect. But
You hesitated.
we're generous now. That's
I like it.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look how pretty that is. Okay, guys. I think it's going to be time to head outside and eat. Okay, friends, all the hard work is done. We have created this delicious lamb gyro thanks to my boy Nico here. Okay, so Nico, before we get in and I eat this, I just want to chat a little bit more because I'm so fascinated by your entrepreneurial journey at such a young age. When you were a little kid, did you ever think, one day I want to own my own business and be on TV to talk about it?
Honestly, I never thought this would ever happen in my wildest dreams, owning a
Really?
business or being on TV, frankly. But yeah, like it's a unexpected dream, but I'm glad it's come true and I enjoy every second of it. Like
Absolutely.
it's been a crazy adventure, but I won't change it for anything.
That's the best attitude. Do you remember what it was like the first time you made and sold your first gyro here?
It was chaotic.
Really? Okay, I think that's our nice through line for the show. Why was it chaotic?
Well, you think I'm bad now being nervous. I was like 10 times nervous.
Gosh. So yeah, I mean, you made this great food and now people follow you guys. They line up for the food. It's incredible. Do you have any maybe advice? Say someone about your age was like, I would love to create something like this and actually expedite it. Any words of wisdom?
I would just say, like, if you have a dream and you have something that you just want to share with others, nothing's stopping you but yourself. Just go and do it. That's all it takes.
Love it. I love it. Before I get into this, are there any other menu items that you might recommend? Say someone's never been here and they step right up.
I
What
would
say?
recommend the Greek potatoes or the Greek nachos.
Okay, talk about these potatoes. We sort of touched on the nachos, but what's up with the potatoes?
Because a lot of people ask, do you have rice? We don't have rice. We have Greek potatoes. It's all the same seasonings, dill, oregano, salt, lemon. It's all those same common ingredients, and we just put them in the oven and roast them, and then they cut like butter, and people say they're the best thing.
Really? Okay, I think it's time. Okay, I don't even know how to eat it. Am I supposed to pick it up?
Yes, you just take out the pita. It's like a sandwich, you know?
Oh yeah, this will definitely look really pretty on camera to eat. I'm spilling already.
That's okay. That's common.
Is it though?
Yes.
Oh my God. It's raining lamb. Here we I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, let's get it. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. I mean, lamb. This is amazing.
Thank you.
Nico, let people know where they can find you, where they can keep up with you. You do some talking because I want to do some eating.
We're on Facebook. We also have a website, nicosgyros.com, and we're also on Street Food Finder. You can find us at like common places like 9 Mile, and our website has a list, a counter, so people can always know where to find us at.
Wonderful. Stock the truck, you guys. It is so worth it. And also keep them in mind. If you're having an event and you really want to wow your friends, the best part of this is that it's healthy. Okay, you're not going to feel like you need a nap after, I don't think. Let me handle this and then we'll reconvene. This was such a treat to hang with you and your family. I think you're doing great things. The sky is the limit, Nico.
Thank you.
I'm
Thanks
really
for
proud of
having
you,
us.
and I'm so in awe of this. You've got to let me know when the merch is available, okay?
We will. Thank you.
For real. Guys, make sure you follow them on social. While you're on social, check out STL TV. We are also on Facebook. So if you are out and about and you're like, oh, this restaurant would be good, we want to know. Drop us a note. The show is for you. We want to just eat our way through St. Louis. So that is going to do it. I'm Angela Hochman. I really appreciate you watching. And I got to get back to this. It's not going to eat itself. Thanks for watching.